Assalamu alaikum, what's up guys? Hopefully you are all fine. So today I'm back with another interesting video, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of a product that I have purchased from Amazon. This is a mobile phone, Techno Pop 8, for those people who want a phone within a low budget, and if they are having a low budget, then definitely they can consider this mobile phone. It has all the features that a person needs, and let's explore it more. And this is going to be the video about the unboxing and my first impression about this particular device. And if you want to purchase this device, then I will leave the link below in the description section. This mobile is available on Amazon for the rupees 6,000 only, so it is a must buy product as far as the specifications and reviews on Amazon is concerned. But we will explore more in the later part of the video, and for complete review of this particular product, stay tuned with me. So let's go. So let's see what's inside the box. Inside this box we are getting our phone. So let's see the box. It is available in 2 to 3 colors, but I have opted for the white one. It has all the specification mentioned on it. You can take a screenshot of it, and I will discuss the features in the later part of the video. It has stereo speakers. It has 400% big volume, 90 hertz, okay, and 16.66 centimeter whole screen. That means it has punch hole display and octa-core processor. Let's explore more. It has 5000 mAh battery, and type C is specifically mentioned on it. It means it is having type C port. So let's open it up. Let's break the seal here. So this is a must buy product to me as far as the reviews on Amazon is concerned. I am amazed by the reviews. It is available only for 6,000 rupees, so that's why I am telling you that it's a must buy product. And if you still have some sort of confusion, then we will explore this device more in the upcoming videos. So let's open it up. This is going to be the best part of the video. So this is a device, this is a handset. So let's keep this device aside. This is the user manual, and it has written 12 months warranty, and more features. Oh, it is providing you the case. So most of the companies nowadays are not providing you the case, and it has some sort of protection for camera lens. So that's a good thing, and the quality of the case look and seems to be very nice. And what's more inside it? It has this brick, the charging brick. It seems to be 10 watt. That's a good thing. And type A to type C cable. Let's see the quality. The quality seems to be very nice, and the length of the wire or the cord is actually okayish. So what more you expect in 6,000? They are providing you this charging brick, and most of the companies nowadays are even skipping these things. But Techno is not well-known brand, but they are providing you the case as well as charging brick, so thumbs up to them. You are gonna get one more thing. Let me see. This is a most important thing. That's a pin, SIM ejector pin. Let's keep these things aside and let's see the device itself. So all the specifications are mentioned here as well. Techno Pop 8, dynamic port, 90 Hz, 6.6 whole screen, large storage, dual speaker with DTS listen, side edge fingerprint unlocking, 5000 mAh battery, and type C. Let me open this up. Oh, they are providing you one more thing, that is the lamination over it. So it has some sort of screen protection over the screen, so that's a very good thing. Let's put a SIM card and set this device up.